How to install a rainwater outlet. Our rainwater outlets are designed to discharge water through the roof. Cut a hole in the rubber and insert the outlet. Then mark around its perimeter and remove. Apply Techno primer to the back of the outlet. And to the marked rubber. Allow to dry. Then mate together. Position the outlet flashing and mark out just beyond its perimeter. And thinly apply Techno primer with a scrubber pad. And allow to dry. Top tip: in cold conditions, use a heat gun to fasten the drying time. Peel off the backing paper from the flashing kit and carefully make the two surfaces together. Roller for a really professional finish. Finally, cut the hole for the outlet. And insert leaf guard.